Good morning everyone. Today is last time completed my sixth lesson, our country. Sixth lesson, our country. Sixth lesson, our country completed ma. Now in that lesson we are learning new words. New words. First one, country. First one, country. 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 Country spelling what? COUNTRY. Country. Second one, capital. Second one, capital. 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 Next one, national. 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 Next one, symbol. 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 Next one, prosperity. 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 Next one, justice. 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 Next one, saffron. 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 Next one, green. 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 Next, white. 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 Wheel. 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 Next one, lotus. 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 Next one, anthem. 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 Next one, peacock. 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 Next one, tiger. 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 Next one, president. 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 These are new words. See again. Country. 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 Capital. 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 National. 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 Symbol. symbol, symbol. Prosperity, 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 prosperity. Justice, justice, justice. Saffron, saffron, saffron. Green, green, green. White, white. Wheel, wheel. Lotus, lotus. Anthem, anthem. Peacock, peacock. Tiger, tiger. President, president, president. Okay, these are all new words, ma. Question and answers. First question. Name the capital city of India. First question. Name the capital city of India. What is the capital of India? What is the capital of India? See, the capital city of India is capital city of India is New Delhi. Okay, the capital city of India is New Delhi. Name the capital city of India. The capital city of India is New Delhi. Next question. B. Name any three national symbols of India. Name any three national symbols of India. The three national symbols are national flower, lotus. National flower, lotus. National animal, tiger. National bird peacock. Okay, see. Name any three national symbols of India. The three national symbols are national flower lotus, national animal tiger, national bird peacock. These are the three national symbols. Okay, next question. Next question, third question, Sima. Third question. What do the three different colors in our national flag mean? What do the three different colors in your national flag mean? In our national flag three different colors are there, na? What the different colors mean? Avi em cheptunnayi, okay? Saffron means courage. Saffron means courage. White means purity. White means purity. Green means prosperity. Green means prosperity. Saffron means courage. White means purity. Green means prosperity. Okay. In our national flag, middle wheel is there. Now, what does it mean? The wheel on our national flag means justice. Okay, the wheel on our national flag means justice. See again. What do the three different colors in our national flag mean? What do the three different colors in our national flag mean? Saffron means courage. White means purity. Green means prosperity. The next one. What does the wheel on our national flag mean? What does the wheel on our national flag mean? The wheel on our national flag means justice. The wheel on our national flag means justice. Okay. These are the new words and question and answers in the lesson Our Country. Okay, all of you learn these new words and question and answers. Okay, thank you.